They were trying to make sure that every corner is very, very clean. Yeah, we used to put our firewoods here and all the branches, so the leaves of all those branches were left in here. So they decided to come here and work together, removing all those dirty stuff, taking them to the garden. So everyone is very, very, very busy here. Yes, as you can see, they said no. This is a very nice fertilizer to our bananas. So guys, that's what they are doing. I told you when they are not going to school, they are working very, very nice. And nobody is here to instruct them. They just decide, let us go this side and make that side to be very clean. So you can see everybody here is very, very busy. Yeah, this is Anita. How are you? What are you doing? Yeah, just say hi. Can you wave this? Hi. Yes. What's your name? My name is Anita. Yeah, this is Anita. Yeah, just make sure that compound is very clean every corner. I told you guys these 2 rooms is for the teachers. So this is first room and second room, guys. Yeah, 2 teachers are staying here. And down there was my shop. But now we don't have soap. Yeah, when I was in hospital, the kids ate everything inside. But I don't say that it's bad, because there was no otherwise. Yes, we are trying everyone to make sure that the compound will look very, very nice. Yes, the girls are busy to go to the river to look for the water, guys, and it's like that. This is our big school. It's like this metal house, a very big. I was staying here, me and all the kids, the first time. So this is our compound, guys. Yeah. Yes, guys. This is Eriza. Eriza, hi. Yeah, can you do this? Yes, can you say hi? Hi. Yes, and everybody. Lucia, how are you, Lucia? Yeah, can you say hi? And this is Manuel here, Commander. Yes, Manuel, can you say hi, please? Yes. Yeah. He's very happy boy. He's one of the best boy here. He said, no, we don't want to see any bad stuff outside our compound. We have to do manual work and make sure that the compound is very, very clean. Yes, so they are working together, boys and girls here, and even me. I was just here watching them, what they are doing, and even me, I was sweeping outside here. So they are even trying to remove some firewood here. This is some firewood coming from this side. Yeah, they are trying to remove all the firewood from here, and even to take the reefs, those dry reefs. Yes, they are taking them to the pit. Yes, guys, they are taking them to the pit. Yes. Yes, and Jeremiah Commander is here. Can you say hi? Hi. Yes. Can you say hi, all of you? Hi. What are you doing? Yeah, let me hear from maybe one boy from there. What are you doing?
Yeah, we are trying to take out these things.
Yes.
To ensure that the compound is clean.
Yeah.
That is suitable for our living.
Yes.
So we are improving our living standards.
Yes.
By our own power.
Yes.
Without any assistance from
wow. Yes, this is yes. Wow. This is Jeremiah, and it's like I need to buy that King PP. King, I don't know, what do you call it?
That's King Kubwa.
Yeah, King Kubwa is a big sweet.
To motivate us.
Yeah, to motivate the kids. And then we are going to cook a lot of mandasi for everybody to enjoy.
Just for motivation.
Yeah, for motivation. So they are here. This is another guy. Yes, his name is Matthias. Matthias, how are you? Oh, you are fine? What are you doing? Matthias is a very shy guy. Yeah, and everybody here is loving. Mnaweza kucheka kidogo? Nani anaweza kucheka kidogo? Hamwezi kusmile? Oh, Manuel. Kwani yako na maji kwa mdomo? Huyo ni Manuel. Anabeba wheelbarrow kama lori. Yani ameijaza. Wow. These kids are very, very serious. Yeah, they are very serious guy. Yeah, and I need to motivate them today. Yeah, they are doing good job. Yes. Everyone is here. Yeah. They are removing all the stuffs from here to make sure that the compound is very nice and very clean. Yes. Yes, guys. I really thank God. This is a good job, and even me, I feel so happy to hear all these kids working together with me. Make sure the compound is very clean, and always we are doing this to make sure that every corner is clean, guys. Yeah, so that's how our compound looks like. We don't have electricity, we don't have fence, guys. One day I'll ask you guys to come here and stay some days with me here. And guys, outside here we have an avocado tree. This is avocado tree. And we have cypress, and we have guava. And then we have some flowers here. I like this. I like this flower. Yes, guys. Please come and stay with us here and see what is going on. We enjoy together, eat together, yeah, and stay together. Guys, when you come here, you see our kids. They are very, very much arranged, and they are working with the whole heart to make sure that everything is in order. Yes, guys. To get water here now is very difficult, guys. It was very, very sunny time, and We are now going to the river like every day. We go like twice. Sometimes we go like 3 times. Yes. Yeah, this is Manuel, your driver. It's our driver. Yes, he's driving a big wheelbarrow. Yes. Everybody here is very, very busy. Yes, guys. And we really thank God. Everything is doing very well in this big compound. So this is dialect from Noah's Boat Children's Home. My channel's name is Noah's Boat House of Refuge. My name is Pastor Esther Wamboi Kanyutu, and I really need your help. We need one day to have electricity in this big compound. And sometimes we will ask you guys to help us to put a fence around this compound. I used to have so many chickens. I used to have a lot of dove and so many things. There was a time thieves used to come and carry those things, that even the animals like goats and cows, I used to have a lot of them. I had like 700 chicken, but now, just 3 weeks ago, I bought 16 chicken to start again. And now I'm putting them inside the house, because when I had a lot of chickens, 700 and more, people started coming inside and took everything that we had. They took goats, they took cows, they took chickens, and I was in hospital like 6 months. And even when I'll come back home, even some of the houses, they removed the iron sheets. Yeah. And the home was only 2 sisters just came from the church to stay, to take care of the kids and to stay in this compound with the children. After they start fearing those people used to come here, those thieves, they start telling me that we don't want to come and stay inside there. Just look for other people. And from there, then I took other 2 men to come and stay inside, to just to help us to secure the compound until when I came from hospital, guys. Yeah, so things are going well here. Those are the house of the boys, the tank of the boys. Yes, it's like that. Blue tank here is for the girls, but no water inside now. It was a very dry time, no rain. So this is our big mental house where I started to stay when I bought this land like 13 years ago. Yeah, and this is our compound. The gate is just down there. Yeah, that is our gate, guys. Everybody here is very, very busy. They are trying to make sure that the house is clean, the compound outside is clean. Yeah, some of them are trying to fetch the water just up there. As you can see, guys. And some of them, they have to go to the river so that we have enough water. Inside this well, it doesn't have much water. This water was from it was from the rain. When the rain is raining, so through this iron sheet the water came from and go down through this rain just to that tank, and then from that tank it go down there just to that building. That is, we build that tank so that we get rainwater from here. The water from all these houses, this iron sheet, just guy, all all this water is coming from just that end of that house, this way, this way, this way, this way to this tank, and from this tank it has that connection pipe to that black tank, and then from that end of that house, that is boy's house, down there, and it went down, and then it connects another pipe just down there to that tank, guys. So that is the tank of when it is rain season, we get water from there. Other these houses was for the teachers, but now still is for the boys. We have only 2 rooms for the teacher just there because the school is not big. Our school is only 4 classes, PP1, PP2, grade 1 and 2. And 2 teachers are going home. They just come in the morning time, and in the evening they just go back to their home. So everybody's here is doing cleanliness in that compound, in that area. So you can see, guys, up there. Yes. So I was trying to take you around so that you can see the compound. This is our kids coming from the river. Yes, guys. They are coming from the river. Yeah, our river is just down there. Yes, just down there. Let me take you there, guys. And yeah, so I told you we have a portion mill here. This is our house of portion mill. Yes, this is a portion mill, guys. Here, this is where we get flour from. Yes, this is our portion mill. We get flour here for ugali, and so it's like that. Yeah, some of the kids are doing cleanliness up there. They are trying to make sure that they are doing cleanliness. This is general cleaning every corner here, because today all our kids are here. Yes. I feel so good. So down there, guys, that is where we are getting water from. It's a bit far from this compound. I am now outside our gate. So they go this way, and then they go just down there. So you can see it's not just near. It's not just near. And then they came this way. They came this way. And then they came to the gate, guys. So this is outside here. Yeah. This is Noah's Boat Good Heart Children's Home Rescue Center, Healing for All Nations and Prayer Center. PO Box 118 4414 Hispania. Telephone 0727 90 2206. That's my number. Non-governmental, non-profit. So, and this is our gate, guys. Yes. It's like every corner we need even to repair. We need to start again to paint. You can see every corner. We need repair. We need to paint. Even our gate, our bedding somehow. If you can see from there, it cannot cross very well. It cannot cross very well. It's bedding. It's almost 13 years since I finished to build this compound. This is Ministry of Education about our school, Noah's Boat Academy, PO Box 118, 404 and 14 Hispania. Motto: learning is a commitment. Aim: to offer quality education to the learners, regardless of background, and promote discipline, self-esteem, and self-reliance, mentorship to Christian character and spiritual well-being. Our vision: to make children to be responsible Kenyan who can drive our country to prosperity. Noah's Boat House of Refuge phone number. So in my channel in YouTube, I like to use this Noah's Boat House of Refuge. And this is badge. Yes. Yeah. This is badge of our school, Noah's Boat Academy. And then Proverbs chapter 1 verse 7, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Motto: learning is a commitment. Yes, guys, and this is outside area. We need to start maybe to fence this all compound here. It's a very big compound. It's almost 1.5 acres inside. Yes, guy, and this is our gate. So when you enter from here, yeah, yes, you can see that even this gate is bedding. It's bedding, guys. It cannot cross very well. So this is how it looks like when you enter inside. This is how it looks. And our signboard here is Noah's Boat Children's Home. Number, telephone is 254-727-902206. And the foundation of James chapter 1 verse 27 in the Bible. Yeah. So that is how it is. That is how it is. I planted all these trees like 10 years ago. Yes. I planted because I like tree. And guys, when I was very sick, even people used to come from outside and even cut my trees down. As you can see here, guys, that's what they were doing to make sure that I cannot even come back and get my tree well the way it was. They were trying to destroy everything. All these trees I planted 10 years ago. They were trying to remove some tree. Yeah, as you can see here. Yes, they used to cut them out. I don't know why. And nothing I can do. It's only to ask God to protect me and the kids, guys. Yeah. I really thank God that we are still alive. We will plant again. the needed tree. Like now I started planting like this avocado tree. Yes, that is what I'm planning to plant. Yeah, I started planting this 2 years ago. Avocado tree, as you can see. This is avocado tree, and it is almost to flowers. Yeah, so people, guys, used to come and start cutting. Yeah, my tree, as you can see there, just to hurt me for nothing. And guys, I was in the hospital. They were trying to cut and make charcoal for themselves. I could do nothing because, yeah, they were ready that I was not around. Our kid could not even talk to them and ask them, why are you doing this? They were very young, all of them. Yes. So guys, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting Noah's Boat. Please let us work together. Yeah, I really thank God for the life. Remember, all kids that I have, they don't have their parent. Some of them are abandoned kids. Some of them are innocent kids. We used to collect them from the pit, from the toilet, from the market. Some of the girls used to give birth and dump their children, and they just keep quiet. So that is my country, Kenya. I'm here from this big compound. Those are our solar, as you can see them, but we don't have battery. We don't have wire. We don't have bulbs, enough bulbs to connect even outside toilet, inside toilet, and all this is our compound, guys. I have worked for 13 years old to build this compound. Thereafter, I told you I used to stay in a cave. I didn't have money to build. Yeah, and this was my first plot. I bought this plot when I was young already, before I got married. And I was a house girl. Yes. After I came from the mother who was raising me, I got a job like a house girl, and I was working like it's my own home, and I was very happy. And this is the results that after a lot of years I got married. I gave birth to my 3 kids, and when I came here to buy this land, it is when my kids were struggling so much, yeah, to have somewhere to stay. It's a big story. I cannot put it all in this video, but that's what it was. This was the house of Duff, and even that one. And we have even maybe 6 Duff inside there. Maybe you can see them, I don't know. Some of doves are there. Yeah. And that is our home. I'm working, me alone with our kids, and some days I ask people from the church to come and help. Yeah, guys, that big house you see there, one day I need to plaster that house. It will take like 100 bags of cement, because it's a very, very big house. It has like 4 big rooms, and it need like 50 bags inside and like 20 bags outside here. And then it has another connection of this house just down there. We need to repair. So that house, for now, we are raising our chicken there. Let me take you there, guys, so that you can see that big house again that we are putting our chicken. Yeah, it's like this. So this is a mud house. We need to put plaster inside and outside. Yeah, I was building this house for the big boys, but because it's not finished for now, so the cows are sleeping here for now. But 100 bucks, I will repair all this house inside and outside for those big rooms, and even this side. If you see this is our dining. We need like 100 cement just to make this big house. This is a dining room, to put cement everywhere on the wall to repair inside and outside. This is the tank that our kids used to wash their hands here. Yes, and so this is our dining hall. Yes, guys, we need cement so that we can finish to cement this area, this wall.